guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here at the station about to board the train with my two friends from university, and we are heading to Morogoro for a little getaway, just to catch up, have fun and enjoy nature. Think mountains, waterfalls, good vibes and even better memories. Yeah, so let's go. Okay, so that's my friend. Her name is Halima and she always smiling. Yep, look at her. Anyway, she's just a girl, so yep. Okay, that's Sarah, my longtime friend. And okay guys, so yep, come along with us on our short trip. By the way, we were in business class, so of course they served us some snacks and drinks on the train. It was just a short trip, and yes, we finally arrived in Morogoro. So after that, we hopped a tuk-tuk and headed to our hotel. The guys riding motorcycles started following us because the place we were headed, the waterfalls, was somewhere cars and tuk-tuk couldn't reach. So we had to take motorcycle instead. And suddenly there were so many drivers, each one wanting to be the one to take us. So this is the hotel we arrived at. Guys, can't you just see how beautiful the surrounding and the view are? Guys, look at all this greenery. It's so breathtaking, so stunning. And so after that, we took motorcycles up the hills to the waterfalls. Guys, the road was so tough, and by the time we got there, we were wide. How is the ride, Sarah? Very tough. How is the
I think down there. Yeah. So that's going guide us.
The next day.
Okay guys, so now we are heading back home after having so much fun and truly enjoying ourselves. I really loved reconnecting with my longtime friends, and it's been a while, so yeah, let's go back home.